Morning all of you. I feel very happy to meet all of you in this lockdown period. I am Mrs. G. Satyesh Shankari, Assistant Professor. I would like to give an idea for an investment. Now we are suffering from heavy pandemic, COVID-19. It is not only affect our human body, it is also affect our financial condition. For that, so each and every individual of Indian citizen has to concentrate on investment. So what is the meaning of investment? Investment is the employment of funds. It means working. That means our invested funds create additional income for our investments and also increase capital growth in future period. Before going to make an investments, we have to understand what are the investment opportunities available in India. Generally, it is classified into two types, direct investments and indirect investments. Direct investment means investors has chance to make the decision on investments. It is classified into three headings, fixed principal, variable principal and non-securities. Fixed principal securities means these securities provide fixed rate of return to the investors. Examples like that savings account, savings certificate, bonds and debentures, etc. Bonds means if any debt instrument issued by the government is called bonds. If any debt instrument issued by the private concern is called debentures. Variable principal securities means they provide variable rate of return to the investors. Preference shares, equity shares and convertible securities are some examples. Convertible securities means if we invest in one securities, after a certain maturity period it is converted into another form of securities. For example, if we invested in securities, after 3 years or 2 years it may be converted into shares. Next we see non-security investments. Here these securities are not issued by the corporates. Real estate, mortgages are examples. Next we discuss about indirect investment alternatives. It means investors has no chance to make their investment decision. The collecting agencies only has right to make their investments. Pension funds, PF, insurance, investment companies and UTS are examples. Before making investments, the investor has to consider certain factors. To make an investment should be a better one. First one, risk. Risk means loss of capital, loss of return. So the investor has to consider what is the risk level of securities is associated with our investments. Next one, consider return. Yes, return means expected return from our investments. Generally, risk and return are travel in both sides. That means if the investors want to get more return, they have to face more risk. Next one, safety. The investment should provide safety. Yes, the investment amount should be protected one. Even the market condition may be worst, our investment amount should be in safe zone. Next one, liquidity. Liquidity means cash convertible position. Our investment should easily converted into cash. So based upon that position, the investor make an investments. Next one, marketability. If the investor want to sell their securities, it is easily purchased by other investors. So like that, we have to make an investments in most marketable securities one. Capital growth, our investment should be increased day by day. It will create our capital appreciation. Purchasing power stability. So our investments create an opportunity for making additional investments. Stability of income. Stability of income means our investment should provide regular return to the investors. Tax benefits. So investors may follow one strategy, that is make an investments in tax-free securities. If we follow these factors, the investors make an effective portfolio. After considering investment opportunities and factors, the investors should make an effective portfolio to get more benefit return in future. Okay, next week, meet in next video. Thank you all of you.